Well, I'm going to try something new today. I've got a welder dropped off, part of the, what is that, Amazon affiliates program? I don't remember. Hasn't cost me anything yet. It looks like it's been opened by customs. What did we get? We got the fancy plastic. We got the environmentally terrible foam. Actually, I have no idea. Just random guess. Oh yeah, it's this one. It is a Bestarc TIG. What is that? 215P. I don't know what the P stands for. Probably pulse. Probably supposed to lift it by both hands. I didn't. No. Have any arrows saying which way's up? Nope. Nope, it doesn't. Let's just guess. Now, either you can open it up either direction, or I guessed correctly. And it's probably that way because the manual is on top. We will file that. Probably forget all about it. I'm going to be using this because I have not wired up 230, 240 volts yet. It's not because I'm lazy, it's because I've got no damn time. What do we got here? We got our earth lead, ground lead. Really depends on who you talk to. Nice spring on there. Nice and tight. We're gonna leave that in there for now. Striker for stick welding. Ooh, an actual gas tube. We're gonna have a good time on this. Because mine did not come with a regulator or a gas tube, and I'm using a cheap one. Ooh. Is that a foot pedal? Come on, come on. That is a really long foot pedal that you need to set the amperage on. Interesting. Goes 0 to 10 to 50 and 10 to 10? 10 to 200? The heck is that? You push it, pull it? No idea. Interesting. We'll figure it out. So, that means I gotta disassemble my old one, doesn't it? Which should be fairly easy. This one's tiny and light. That's closed, yeah. Screwdriver. I got one. Old school. And another flathead. What the heck? I haven't used a flathead in this garage. Oh, that's been holding pressure. I haven't used this in like a week. Got everything up. Yeah, this is a whatever TIG215P S7. It was just the cheapest one I could find on Amazon because I needed to put this back together. Like all that freaking goodness. Right. Up there. It was great. Like this car was just rot. I bought it for $250. I went through, 3 sets of maple weld, whatever, 16th inch steel rod. And 1 spool of MIG wire on the bottom there. Okay, is that enough room? Where's the gas on this one? Right on the side, that should work. We'll have to be on this side. Power cord out of the way. Stay out of the way. Stay out of the way. Get. Oh, that's fancy. Let's get this figured out and then I'll bring it around and show you. So I need the correct size wrench to take that fitting off. Because that's the correct size wrench for that. Always the right size wrench. It's adjustable, it's got the angry teeth on it. Yeah. What do I think of that? Did I keep the adapters for this? Those are different ones for the S7. There's a minute. Anyways, after finding a closer fitting and drilling it out and tapping the one side for the correct thread, it's connected. It's great. See right there? It's the wrong size. Both sides of the threads were wrong. Just wrong. But yeah, it's on there. And I know which thread sizes to get an adapter for now, which was so much fun. Okay, next step. I'm going to bring you around to the front. Or I'll just turn it around. That'll work. Just turn it around. Get my freaking extension cord out of the way. Pull this giant stack of welders around. Stop staring at my butt. There you go. That's the front of it. Okay. Let's go get the TIG torch. Or the earth lead. Which one would be better? Probably the earth lead. Yeah. Doesn't really matter in the end. Where did I put Kenny? Yeah, this is Kenny. Kenny Kniffy. Nice long cord. My S7 came with like a 3-foot one or 1 meter, and it wasn't super great. That wants to be on this side. Nice and tight. Get my universal wrench out of the way. Oh, I had a 5 one here. That might be why I was running into issues. Is this one going to fit the same? Yep, looks like it. Okay. No, that wants to fall apart. Okay, I'm getting number 6. Put it up top. Put the collet through there. Screw this in the back gently. Yeah, it's tightened up. Should work fine. Snug. Give it a tiny little stick out, about half the cup width for me. I don't know what's proper. I've never actually been trained by somebody for this. Okay. Plug her in. And where's the power button on this one? On top and the back. Oh, she's a feisty one. She's kind of loud. Bring you in a little closer so we can learn together. So, 160 amps on 110 volts. That's not bad, but that won't be the actual welding. What do we set? It's 45-ish. 2T, no faults. P camps 45. High frequency TIG, DC. Yeah, and the hood. Probably open that. Oh, yeah, I do need to get the copper adapter for that. So, what's she gonna do? Well, I did not set any settings for freaking gas, did I? Creeper, chaff, start 10 amp, sure, why not? Slope up, none, peak amps, probably 40, slope down, next to nothing. Post flow, 5 seconds minimum, or 3 seconds to save. Let's try that. No, that's not bad. This is really terrible metal because it's painted and rusted and painted again and rusted again and painted again. There's at least 10 people have owned this car before me. But yeah, I'd call that a win. Got a working TIG welder. Didn't burn the shop down. Well, got a leak, but whatever. My little 3D printed check knob works. I'm gonna have to mess with the settings on here because that is not gonna be proper for what I normally do. But yeah, I like it. We'll play with it for a couple weeks, give you another video.